Yes. My name, as he mentioned, is Jim Burke, and I live here in Southern California. I've lived here my whole life. My background was in the payroll and HR service for 30 years. And I owned a business with my brother, and we sold that about a year and a half ago. And I was thinking about what I was going to do in my next adventure and looking at different other businesses. And a good friend of mine had opened up the Techy in Chula Vista, California, which is in near San Diego. And I did an evaluation of it, and I really was intrigued with the technology part of the business. And with the cell phone industry, everybody has a cell phone, right? And so that's what intrigued me. Really, I felt like we would always be able to be consistent with sales and being busy and could only grow and get bigger. And so this is my first store. We've been open a week, and if it goes well, possibly open more stores.
Yeah, congratulations on your opening. A week is great.